One of the troubles always is, how do you lock up your bus? Well, this one, luckily, when I do that, you're not getting in that. No matter how much you yank and pry on these doors, they don't open. So that's easy to lock the front of the bus. However, the back. So, here's what I did back here. Picked up one of these type of locks. I then took 2 bolts and attached it to this bracket to the handle itself. So, that's able to open, close, and you can see the latch working. Comes right into it and locked. Best part is I'm able to jump out of the bus. Close the door. Close that. Take the magic key. Turn the key. And now it's locked. So now the whole bus is locked. Now the whole bus is locked. Only one way in, through the back door. And it's good to go. And it actually, it looks like it belongs there. Pretty simple to attach that. So check on the link below. Pick up one of those types of locks. You can attach it to the front door if you need to as well.